Hey, what's up guys, Skuz here. So today we're going to compare Ryzen 5 3600 XT with i5-10400F and the 9400F. But before getting to it, you want to be secure while browsing the internet maybe? Check out IPVanish. You can get a 3-month access for $28 or a year access for $78. You can also just try it out for $12 a month. By the way, you didn't hear this from me, but you can also use it to access the US version of Netflix or to get NBA League Pass for just a few bucks. The link is down in the description. Alright, where was I? Here you can see their specifications if you're interested, and without further ado, let's see the benchmarks. So for gaming, I would definitely go for 10400F. It performs better and is also less expensive. However, of course, your money, your choice. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.